Hi everybody, welcome back to Harper's channel. Today we are going to be learning how to do an infinity braid. So if you'd like to learn how to do an infinity braid, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the hair into two equal sections. We're not doing a French infinity braid, so we're just learning the basics here. We're going to do a basic infinity braid. So I've simply just put the hair in a ponytail, and we're just going to start from there. So similar to a fishtail braid, you're actually just going to divide it into two strands, and these are going to be your main two strands. So these are going to be the strands that are going to stay. In your third strand, because it is a braid, your third strand is the one that's going to change and the one that's going to rotate. These are going to stay the same throughout. So after I have my two sections, I'm just going to actually take a little bit from underneath one, okay, and I'm just going to cross the middle. Okay, so I'm going to go over the top just like that. Keeping this third strand, I'm going to go underneath, and I'm actually going to go over the other side as well, and then back to being underneath. So you almost have these two little loops is what it looks like. And that's where the infinity comes in, is you're gonna go over, just do that again, under, and then you're gonna go over and under, like an infinity sign. Okay, so then I'm gonna start, I'm just gonna hold that still. I'm gonna take another strand. I'm gonna go over, and then I'm gonna go under, and then I'm gonna go back over and under. So you get like these little loops is basically what you're shooting for. Okay, and I'm making sure to hold this tight. It does like to start to unravel pretty easily, so you want to hold it tight while you're doing this. But as you can see, I just grabbed another section of hair. I'm gonna go over this first. I'm gonna go under that second one, around, and back under. So you're creating like these little loops. And that is essentially how to do an infinity braid. I am just going to keep going here just so I can get the whole braid and I can show you guys what it looks like when you get completely done, because it does look pretty cool. So you're just going to keep pulling strands from the back, and you want to make sure that you get some long strands in there, so you have enough to do all of your looping. And it looks similar to a fishtail braid, but you're going to get these two almost tube looking strands. Just keep grabbing the hair, over, under, and I go over, under. Okay, and this is kind of what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna keep going so I can really finish that out. Oops. Going over and under, and sometimes you can even make it around over and under again too. Not going to really matter. You're going to be able to see it either way. All right, and I will just go ahead and stop there. But this is how you do an infinity braid. This is kind of what it looks like with the little tubes. Very cute, something very different. And it looks really cool.